Have you ever seen a couple and thought, wish I had something like that? The type of friendship where words are not always necessary, where presence is home. In a world where like, comment, and respond are practically synonyms for lick, stamp, and seal, real connection can seem in short supply. But I ask you this: what if that kind of deep, truthful bond could be real? What if luck is not how you build it, but heart? The reason is that strong relationships don't just materialize and maintain themselves, they're work. Let's work through those options together. Begin by simply being there, not just in body, but in spirit. Allow your eyes to say, I see you. Let your silence say, you're safe here. When they feel that you are 100% with them, they will trust. And trust is the beginning of connection. When someone is talking, listen like their words are the most important thing in the world right now. Don't plan your reply. Don't fix their pain. Simply listen and make sure they feel truly heard, because being heard is the closest thing to being loved. Let them see the real you, not the airbrushed version of you, not the superhero, but the authentic one. Tell them your fears. Share your childhood story. Admit that you are still figuring it out, because it is where walls come tumbling down and souls collide. Love isn't noisy. It's regular. It's in the daily check-ins, the standard, have you eaten today texts. It's not that you say, I'll be there. It's that you prove it over and over. True love is reliable. It's not theatrical. You are occasionally going to be let down. They'll say the wrong thing. They will harm you without wanting to. But keeping the pain cleaves the distance. Forgive, not because they've earned it, but because your inner peace is more valuable than holding on to pride. That's how you keep the bridge together. Cheer their victories as if they were yours. Comparison does not poison connection. Clap for them, stand behind them, because when it's not going to steal your joy away, like that's love. Work to understand what makes them feel loved. Some need words. Some need time. Some need touch. Another way, it may not be your way, but that's the beauty of love. And the question is, how can I love you in a form you recognize? Never run when things get tough. Hang in there through the misunderstandings, the late nights, the messy times. True love isn't measured by the good times, it's revealed in the toughest storms.